Good morning, students. Today we will be preparing 1 gram dusting powder. This 1 gram dusting powder is not the official formula. The official formula was for 2 gram of dusting powder, and it contains purified talc 1 gram, starch 0.5 gram, zinc 0.5 gram. And hence, when we are preparing 1 gram of dusting powder, whole of the formula gets divided by 2, and therefore we will be using purified talc as 0.5 gram, starch 0.25 gram, and zinc oxide also 0.25 gram. As a part of good laboratory practice, you must maintain the weighing balance clean and must maintain the logbook for further reference if anything wrong has been detected, which is 0.5 gram. Reduce the quantity if you have taken little bit more. Make sure you have weighed near about 0.5 gram, because some of the powder will be sticking to the paper or you will lose it while transferring. And likewise, I will be weighing for zinc oxide and starch. We have already weighed zinc and starch and we have mixed it together. Since it was only 0.25 gram and it was very small quantity, we have already transferred it to this sieve, which is 100 sieve number. And then what we will be doing is we will be mixing this together with the talc, and this is known as geometric dilution. Since the quantity was very small, hence we will be using it with talc, which is inert in nature, along with starch to impart the dusting powder nature, and hence we will be mixing it to avoid any gritty particles that may be inside the material. Powder and mixed well, and the gritty particles are collected in the sieve, as you can see. Now this will be transferred to a packaging material. Like in the lab, you will be making one pouch like this and you will be labeling it accordingly, and then it will be rewarded with the marks which you will be getting while doing the practical. As you can see, one of your seniors have already prepared this. This will be made by using a normal paper, and this paper you can get it from anywhere, any notebook, long notebook, you can use this paper and make it as a pouch, seal the pouch, and then you will making a envelope like this and keeping the powder inside this. For labeling, you must mention dusting powder, the amount of dusting powder your pouch is carrying, then any name you want to give to this powder, as this is your product and you must be naming it accordingly, and they have named it as Dustofast or antiseptic dusting powder, as it contains zinc oxide. The main ingredient in this is zinc oxide, which is in very less quantity, mixed with two powders which is inert in nature. First is purified talc and other is starch. Now for storage, as this is a powder, you must avoid any kind of moisture. So it is labeled here as stored in a well closed container and keep it on a cool place. And you must avoid any kind of direct sunlight as well. This is entirely for external use and it is not used on raw or whipping surface. Manufacturing date, as you perform the experiment, you will be mentioning the manufacturing date with license. here date is mentioned, this is mentioned as license. You will be if you go through any kind of manufactured bottle, you will see that manufactured license is very much important on the bottle, as you know that the manufacturing site is licensed, otherwise you will not be getting a standard product. Then the batch number, manufacturing date, expiry date. This expiry date for the products which you are preparing in the lab will be for 1 year or so, because this is not undergoing any kind of stability testing. If the product is undergoing stability testing, then you may extend the expiry date and then you label it as well. Then the people who are manufacturing this product, you will be mentioning it in underneath manufactured by. Then this is just all you need to do for this experiment. Thank you.